Yes! RadeGarage Tower. Tower is. Nice.
Nou, die zijn kappies.
Panelen. Stuf. Dit moet je wel zien natuurlijk. Lijp.
Weegt toch helemaal niks?
Nee, dit weegt echt niks. Dik. Oh, hier kan ik zoveel op kwijt.
Shit.
Oh, yes. Sick. Met een ring ook, zie je dat?
Ja.
Nice.
Korte hevels. Ja. CNC.
The new rally tower for the KTM 890. This one goes on and all this goes up. I am very curious what this will look like on the bike. I think it will look amazing. Zo, net zo groot hè?
Hij is smaller.
Ja, dat wel. Maar die fairings komt ook natuurlijk onder zo.
Ja. Dik.
Dik. Oh, nice. Alrighty, surprise, surprise! The RadeGarage Fairing Kit, or how we like to call it, Rally Tower for the KTM 890 Adventure. Going to be one of the first installing the Rally Tower on the S model. Comes with the little side fairings, fit the original fairings of the bike. Later I will install the rally tanks, but you know what it costs. So yeah, and then with the tablet installed, it will look something like this. It's much better than my current setup. Say hello to YouTube. Alright, let's continue with building the fairing kit. It just came in, so it'll probably take 2 weeks or so. Let's skip 2 weeks forward because I have other things to do and build this thing. We have entered the Jack's Racing Garage. Tonight what we are going to do is get rid of the whole front fairing and install the RadeGarage Rally Tower. Let's see how far we can build this thing and give this bike a complete new makeover. Limonade of zo.
Ja, leuk.
And the rest of the Cyclops ADV lights. It's that kind of evening. Monster and lemonade. We need to remove an impossible to reach little screw. That one. Okay, nice. Nice.
Well, now we got this. We decapitated the KTM 890 off its headlight. And now we have to check how to get some of the wires, I think, for the accessory plug, speedo.
Nice dirt bike.
Two more bolts on the other side. You see, like this.
So right now we are disconnecting the harness inside of the headlight.
So basically what Rick is saying, we are getting the original harness, the wiring out of the front and it's quite annoying. We don't need the blinkers because I have the Cyclops Tough Light blinkers. We just fixed it. This is the current harness, which we will be reusing in the new tower.
Just put the rubber, there's an arrow on top, and then the speedo holder like this. Then you have the countersunk bolts, and they go in here, all four, and we'll take it 3 millimeter. So now we're gonna put back the harness that goes in the tower. This doesn't work. This is for the headlight, this is for the speedo, the temperature, the 2 turn signals, red is left. We're gonna shove this into the tower that is coming in hot.
Easy peasy. Nou, klaar.
And then you can let it rest like this. We're now this far in the build. We connected the Cyclops turn indicators. We're now doing the running lights, so we have to take the plus from the accessory 2 because that's linked to the ignition key. I said correctly, these bolts are tightened. Those. This one's here, so the whole bracket with the tower system is on, and as you can see, it is pretty sturdy. Right now I'm gonna put on the dashboard. Here's the connector with this thing. The pointy thing is facing up, so we can connect the plug into the dash. The navigation charger is also going in this plug. We already did that before. And then we're going to shove this all to the back, except for the headlight connector that is staying right here in combination with the dongle. This is plug and play.
Nice vlog.
Thank you very much. All the wires are pushed back, as you can see. We have 2 different sizes, a long one and a short one. This is Rick, this is Jeffrey. The shorter one needs to be on top, that's the high beam, and the longer one needs to be in the bottom. Niet dat het op de dingen staat, maar ik vind het wel vreemd allemaal.
Ja.
Centered.
We got rid of the graphics that came with the kit. We redesigned it to match the rest of the bike.
Hello, it's done. We mounted the whole rally tower with the lights. We put some new decals on it to match the rest with a 2-tone front. Mounted the Cyclops, mounted the tab. It looks pretty freaking awesome. But I'm curious to see how it looks and of course how it rides. But I'm not gonna feel that because it's a midget bike.
I did not want to go too deep into the assembly of the tower because RadeGarage itself was a very good video on their channel. I will link it somewhere above here. Let's go to the results of the tower. It's truly amazing. See for yourself. And since you've made it this far into my video, please use my personal RadeGarage discount code. It will give you 15% off everything with a minimum of 1,000. Just do it, okay? Do it. You want this? Do it. That's it guys for now. I did a small test ride at home yesterday. The screen is a little bit farther away to the front and a little bit lower, I think. Let me verify with some old footage where I'm standing next to the bike. If you can see how high it really is. It's currently mounted with the original tank, and in the future I will go for the RadeGarage rally tanks as well. But as mentioned earlier, that will come with time. I did not compare the weight of the RadeGarage Rally Tower with the original front, but I can tell this is carbon and it's much lighter. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good view of how the rally tower looks like on the 890S Adventure model. And from now on you only see this one on our channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm very happy with the results. Use my code if you not already did. If you did, thank you very much and see you in the next one.